year Sharon's been behind the wheel, the 2022 Rookie of the Year, and also the winner of the prestigious Wadded Up Award, meaning that she broke more parts in 2022 than any other driver on the tour. This little lady is not scared to hit the throttle. To decide the winner, kids, you get to decide the winner of our two-wheel skill, the first event here this afternoon. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here is how it is going to work. I'm going to call out the name of the truck. I want you to yell and scream for your favorite. Now, to make this completely fair, we're going to use something we call a decimeter. I'm not going to be guessing. Your decibels will actually be what decides the winner. So the first one out, I'll call out the name of the trucks again, yell and scream for your favorite. First one out. How many of you thought it was the Wadded Up? An 86.6, 86.6. The next one out. How many of you thought it was the Bucking Bronco? A 95.5. And last but not least, how many of you thought it was the Canadian Crusher? An 87.7. Your winner in the first event.